Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have two Samsung Galaxy smartphones, the S20 and S23 Ultra, and we're gonna do them in this session. First thing we're gonna do is the S23 Ultra. Actually, David has been going one after another in alternating order, but we're gonna edit this video so that we want to have one phone for the entire video. The next part of this video will be the S20 Ultra, this time the S23. So since we have the Galaxy expert here in the shop, we are gonna be quick with these repairs. And this S23 Ultra is damaged back and front, but the back cover is still gonna be reused later on. We're just gonna replace the housing and the broken display. So we're gonna gut this phone out, take out the internal components, the main board, battery, daughter board, wireless charging components, and other miscellaneous parts, transfer them to a new housing, and test it if it works. So the back cover is off. We're gonna remove some screws to detach the cover for the main board. More on this corner. They're the same size. Gonna remove this wireless charging module and cover the daughter board. We're going to detach connectors over the battery. There's also small screws that are holding the daughter board. There you go. So it's now safe to detach the main board at this stage. There you go. And this is our replacement display and housing. The same color. It's brand new. We have plastic on the front camera, glass. We're gonna detach the last component from the old display, the battery. I'm gonna reuse this adhesive plastic. I'm gonna assemble this and make sure it's properly installed so it sits flush in its compartment. There you go. So all the components will have to go into their new home. This main board and this daughter board as well. So yeah, it's a quick one. And during this process, David will go to the S20 Ultra. But like what I've said, I'm gonna edit this so that we show you one smartphone so you don't get confused on what's being fixed. So this is just the part one. The part two will be the S20 Ultra. So this is just gonna be the reverse process. We're gonna cover this smartphone up, put back all the screws, make sure we don't leave out any connectors behind. There you go. So if you have an S23 Ultra, it's quite an expensive smartphone, to be honest, and if you don't have the warranty, if you don't have the funds to buy a brand new smartphone, you can easily fix your S23 Ultra, get it a brand new display or battery if the battery is already failing. It's gonna save you a lot of money, trust me. It's gonna save your data, it's gonna save the environment because you're not throwing things away. I mean, you can sell the device for parts, but the risk of sharing your data without erasing it before selling it, it's kind of scary. There you go. It's now turning on. We'll cover the back area on this one. I'm gonna put liquid adhesive around it and press it in. So if you want an S23 Ultra screen replacement, go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre or go to your local repair service technician. We support right to repair, so if you have a friend who fixes smartphones, you can refer it to them. If you want to DIY this is gonna be an easy repair. I think I fix it as a more elaborate instructional page on the website or video. This one is just gonna be day in the shop kind of videos to show you that it's possible to have an S23 Ultra screen replacement for a reasonable price. And we're just a small shop here in Sydney. If you want to support us, you can leave a comment down below, like and subscribe. And of course, you can also visit us for your smartphone repair needs. If you can't visit us, you can also mail in your broken smartphone. We'll make it brand new here in the shop and we'll send it back to you. We already have clients all over the world, so if you want to avail of that service, leave a comment down below. Message us on Facebook or Instagram. And this is gonna be it, a fixed S23 Ultra. I hope you like this. This is gonna be the final result. I'll show you the before and after. So thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Watch out for part 2 where we fix the S23 Ultra. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.